Afternoon all. As you can see, the engine bay is in bits again. This is because there is a new pipe in development by Roost Motorsport, one of my main sponsors. I'm not obliged to say what it is yet, but it will be a game changer when it comes to the ST220 engine and even the ST24, which has the same pipe, I do believe. So stay tuned. Yeah, I will reveal all in about a week or so, I hope, possibly even 2. We'll see. So take care all. Don't forget, quick one before I go, you can get 10% discount on all Roost Motorsport piping by quoting Club 10. That's our discount code, and you will get a 10% discount. As you can see from the engine bay, there are a lot of Roost pipes in here that he does, including this cold air feed, which was designed by my good self. So yeah, give them a shout, give them a call. They're based in Lincoln and they're one of the top silicon pipe companies in the country now. So, okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like, give us a share. All the good stuff, and any questions feel free to ask. I'm happy to chat. Alright, take care now. Bye for now.